Hi, guess where I am? I am, of course, at the museum here in Parry Sound, top of the hill. Tower. I hope the tower's still there. The tower should be there. There's a fire tower that they built here. I hope it's still there. I don't know. But hey, check this out. Just approaching near the parking lot there where I'm parked. They have an old grader. Check this out. This is a really seriously old piece of equipment here. They used to use this to get the dirt roads level, potholes, all that stuff. Keep the roads good. This is what they used, dragging this thing around. Isn't that something, eh? So they put chains on there, it looks like, to prevent people from spinning the wheel. That's how you adjust the lower blade and the angle of your wheels. Oh, I can imagine this here rode really good. Steel wheels instead of the rubber that we're used to. But check out all the mechanical stuff on this. It's pretty neat. Yeah, this thing's been all around Parry Sound probably. Pretty cool. Tower Hill lookout. There's the tower. We'll have another look at it. Big buoy. Big marker. Hi. I'm good. I'm enjoying the good weather here. How you doing?
Fantastic, isn't it? Well, I work inside in the museum, but I just had to come out.
You got to come out.
So great.
You come out, I'll take over. And yeah, 10 minutes, that'd be nice. Just
I'm not climbing the tower.
You know.
I'll make you do that.
Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna go up there. You mind if I was gonna come in and I got my little recorder here. It's actually a little camera. Is it okay? Yeah, awesome. Thank you very much.
Are you from out of town?
I am. Parry Sound Museum here. And I just got a little brief introduction here. Let me set this up. Oh boy. Look at that lighthouse Fresnel lens. Huge. And they have something here on the, I have an interest in. It's the Nobel's not far from here. And this is where they designed or built the Orenda engines, the motors, the jet engines. This is so cool. I used to drive by the Nobel parts, the Nobel plant there all the time. There you go. The Avro. Pieces of the engine. Turbine disc contain titanium jet turbine blades. Wow. What's that? That's part of the motor and the blades for the, oh wow. There it is there, eh? Cool, I got the hat. Wow. Oh, the House of Commons report containing Prime Minister Diefenbaker's arguments for the cancellation of the Arrow and Earcross project. They got it right there. That was a bad day. Oh, wow, eh? And the site. Nobel Village. Oh, wow, look at the old drawings. And the blasting. Look at the old blaster. You know, Wile E. Coyote used that a lot. This is an interesting room here. I don't know. We're going to come back to this. I'm going to come back and take a look at all this here. Actually, we'll look at it right now. Look at that, eh? In the drawers, they have a bunch of stuff. Souvenir t-shirt of the Arrow, I guess back in the day. Wow, that's interesting. What's underneath? More Avro era literature. Oh, look at that. This is so cool. So sad. Oh wow, the old curling rink for CIL. The curling, what do you call it? That's called a curling stone? It's not stone. It looks like it's made out of wood. Oh, this is a Nobel. Oh my god. dynamite. All here, eh? I'll leave that one out. Sort the head out. There you go. Hey, so what's this? Is this a recreation of a particular building here that once was?
I'm gonna take a shit actually.
That's what it looks like. I see, like engraving, you know. Looks like the barn doors for from a barn. Oh wow, look at that! I got to record it. It's my little camera. Yeah. That's so cool. Little beaver here. Oh, the old canoes up in the ceiling. All right, when you're skinning these, it's for trapping. Got the old. Here's the when you're skinning the pelts. Weasel squirrel pelt, muskrat pelt board, muskrat wire muskrat pelt board, mink marten pelt board. Look how long that one is. There's another big one here. Raccoon pelt board is huge. And what they got here? Fisher pelt board. Wow. And the old lamp. And the old traps. And the traps there that go ka-chunk. All the traps down here were those big ones. I've got one at home. I got a couple bigger than that one. You know, the ones that you step on and they have like a clamp mouth, blunk. Oh, look at the model train here. Wow. Oh, in Depot Harbor. Wow. Holy cow. 1922. I never knew all the houses there. Have you ever been to Depot Harbor?
No,
Well, I mean, if you go there now, it's probably nothing because it's a ghost town. Oh, here it comes. Oh, wow. Neat little town. It's corduroy roads. Have you heard of corduroy? Have you ever heard corduroy, like clothing, corduroy clothes?
Oh yeah.
Corduroy? Well, this is cord here. That's what they got the name from. They used to make the roads out of wood. Lay wood down on the ground, they put a little dirt on there, and they called that a corduroy road.
Oh.
That's corduroy. So a road made out of logs.
Yeah.
Not many around, but they, yeah, that's how the word corduroy. I thought it was just pants, but no, that's originally the road. Oh, is that ever cool? You got big stuff here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Yeah, this is pretty nostalgic. Oh, this is the old thing you used on the trains. The velocipede, that's what it's called. There's a lot of crystals and seashells that they have here. And bugs. Look at the bugs. Ew. That's interesting. Wow. Avro Arrow. Just having a last look here before I go. Was ever cool. Oh, that was good. Hey, thanks for the little tour there. That was awesome. So can I sneak onto this side, I think? Oh, here. Oh my God, it's right there.
Yeah. There's a whole other room full of
Wow, yeah, look in here too.